Welcome back, my curious minds. Today, we'll be diving deep into the Earth's structure and the fascinating forces that shape our planet. In this video, we'll be exploring the topic of earthquakes and plate tectonics. So buckle up and let's get started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. The Earth's layers. Before we talk about earthquakes, let's first understand the structure of the Earth. The Earth consists of four main layers: the crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. The crust is the outermost layer and the thinnest of all the layers. The mantle is the middle layer and is much thicker than the crust. It is made up of dense, hot rock that moves slowly over time. The outer core is composed of liquid iron and nickel, while the inner core is solid due to the immense pressure despite its high temperature. Plate tectonics. Now that we understand the Earth's layers, let's dive into the concept of plate tectonics. The Earth's crust is not a solid piece, but broken into many large pieces called plates. These plates interact along their boundaries in different ways. Sometimes the plates push against each other. Sometimes they pull apart. And sometimes they slide past each other. When the plates move suddenly, an earthquake happens. Earthquakes happen along the boundaries of plates, or where the edge of one plate meets another. These boundaries between plates are called faults. Earthquake measurements. Scientists use different tools to measure and classify earthquakes. The most commonly used tool is called a seismometer. The seismometer records the vibrations or waves created by an earthquake. The magnitude of an earthquake is a measure of the amount of energy released by an earthquake. The magnitude scale used by scientists is called the Richter scale. The magnitude can be classified as minor, moderate, strong, major, or great. Earthquakes can last anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. The duration of an earthquake depends on the magnitude, location, and depth of the quake. GP Fun Fact. The big one. Now, let's talk about a specific plate that's been causing some buzz in the scientific community, the Juan de Fuca plate. This plate is located in the Pacific Northwest and has the potential to cause a massive earthquake and trigger a tsunami. Scientists have been studying this plate and its interactions with the North American plate for years. They predict that a massive earthquake, also known as the Big One, can occur anytime in the near future. If this happens, the Pacific Northwest will experience severe damages, and it could take years to recover from the impact. Aftershocks. After an earthquake occurs, there is often a series of smaller earthquakes that follow, known as aftershocks. Aftershocks are typically less powerful than the main earthquake, but can still cause damage and pose a threat to affected areas. These secondary earthquakes are caused by the readjustment of the Earth's crust and can continue for days, weeks, or even months after the initial earthquake. Sometimes, the largest aftershock can be nearly as powerful as the initial earthquake itself. It is crucial for individuals in affected areas to stay alert and follow safety guidelines even after the ground has stopped shaking, as aftershocks can cause additional structural damage to buildings and infrastructure. The monitoring of aftershocks is an essential part of earthquake research. By studying these secondary earthquakes, scientists can gain a better understanding of the fault systems and the behavior of the Earth's crust during seismic events. This information helps in assessing the potential risks and improving earthquake preparedness measures in vulnerable regions. Remember, if you find yourself in an area experiencing aftershocks, it is important to stay informed and follow the guidance of local authorities and experts to ensure your safety and well-being. Can you believe we've delved to the core of our seismic journey? But remember, this is just the start of your exploration of earthquakes. Keep your curiosity rumbling, keep learning, and be captivated by these incredible geological events. If you enjoyed this segment, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights. Until our next tectonic adventure, keep being the quake-savvy scientists you are, and I'll see you in the next earth-shaking video. Stay steady and stay curious. Thanks for watching.